Most of you may not like the idea of eating insects, but it is very popular in many parts of the world. For example, among the native peoples of Amazonia. Recently, insects are getting very popular in Thailand. Contrary to what we think, insects are very nutritious and, according to the people who eat them, they taste good, too. According to a study, eating insects is popular in areas where there are not many large animals to eat, and where people can easily find a lot of large insects. In these areas, people eat insects because it is difficult to find other good sources of food, especially protein.